So today we are fixing this car and washing this car. So I tried to start this car up the other morning and it didn't start. I looked inside where the battery was at and the terminal split in half. So we got to fix that. The fuse popped too, so we got to get the fuse, fix the terminal, which I already fixed the terminal, and yeah, we're gonna take it to get washed before it get hot. And also today my birthday, so let's get right into today's video. It is such a blessing to have two cars, man. I really do love this car. I didn't think I was gonna like this Honda how I like this Honda, but there's times where I don't feel like driving the other car. If I want to be quiet, I drive this car. If I want some AC, I drive this car. That car will have AC once I put the new motor in it. I don't know if you guys know that, but yeah, that car will have a new motor in it whenever I decide to do it. This car has been a great investment so far. So if you guys need a two-car solution, go on and get you a Honda, Camry, Toyota, something like that to get it going on. But let's go on ahead to AutoZone. They open at 7. It's 6:50. It's like 20 minutes away. Let's do it. Hey, what y'all think about that new Gunna album? Because me personally, I feel like it was good, but it wasn't great. You know, it wasn't like how I thought he was about to step on niggas' necks. Like, he stepped on a few people's necks. He said what he said, whatever. But the music, for like overall, the music aspect of it, I don't think it was that good. Like, I feel like he just made some songs just to like say a few things and call it a day. But y'all let me know what y'all think. I could be wrong. You know, I give it like a 6.5, 7 out of 10. So I'm going to be changing out the negative battery terminal because it is loose, so this should help it. I've never done this, but it should be hella easy. And then the fuse, like, oh my goodness. But I'm also changing out that terminal as well, so both terminals should be good. I should have no more terminal problems. All right, so I didn't show y'all the before. So this is the old terminal that just came off of the car. I just cut it off right now and put the new one. And this is the one that originally broke. As you guys can see how thin the connection is to that. So that was bound to break. But if we go up here, as you guys can see, I already got the new one on. I just came home, just got to it. It's only been like 2 minutes, legit. So I cut it, put this one on. I'm gonna change out this fuse for that one right there, and also it came with another terminal. So, and just like that, I have the new fuse on with the new connector terminal, and I have the new terminal on this side as well. That's nice and tight. These are nice and tight. All the bolts are good. Now it's time to start the car. Before I put everything up, I'm gonna keep this all out, but let's see. Normally I could push this button and it open. Cool. All right, put the key in, foot on the brake. There you go. Just like that, we have a working car again.